Good morning, traders. How we doing today? It is Friday. I actually thought it was Thursday today. Oh, the freaking times are flying by fast. Let me tell ya. The days just go. Okay. Had to take a little drink of water and, yeah. So, did we have trades today? We did. We definitely did. Let me just put a line on here for the 9:30. Can I guess where it is? I was actually in the washroom when it happened. There it is. So I missed this whole section right here. You know, it was one of those days you feel like you gotta go, but then you can't go. And then you go again and again and again, and after the fifth fucking time I finally could go. Oh yeah. And by that time the price was down here somewhere, so I said, I don't think I'm gonna sell it here. I did do some selling and I did do some money making, but I also did this buy right here. Lower lows, see? Right here. Yeah, and then it started falling, got out with my loss, and then I did my real good trade right there. Flip from long to short, boom! And down it goes, and I took the profit. And I took enough profit, I was done for the day. But I done a couple little more trades. You got to keep trading, you know. You just got to reduce your lot size if you already made money. That's the trick. If you keep increasing the lot size, oh, then the bad trade comes and oh, it's not good. But it's funny, how people are, say this was another day. People are selling, right? And usually on these suckers, 1, 2, 3, here's number 4. 4 pullbacks, 1, 2, 3, 4. People go long in here because usually they'd bring it back up or back up a little bit anyway, like up to here somewhere. They didn't do that. 1, 2, 3, 4 fucking fake outs. And then on a day like today, or a day like when it rallies up, you know, people are selling. Anyway, it's like it leaves you on your toes. What do I do? What do I do? Do I buy? Do I sell? You know, it seems real simple, but it isn't. Trading is hard. Oh, maybe now they're going to take it up. So buyers finally stepped in right here. Yeah. Anyway, let me show you the divergence setups right up here. And we draw it to this higher high right here like this, right? And down here, wait a minute. Oh, it's this trade right here. Yeah, I was a little mixed up there. I don't know why I get mixed up now. Maybe one day I won't be able to do these videos anymore because my aluminum will kick in and I can't remember what the fuck I'm doing. But hopefully that won't be anytime soon. But it doesn't last for a very long time now. But just a few sometimes a few seconds. Okay, there's the trade. See it? It's hidden divergence to the downside. Okay, and we would have got short right in here when we crossed down. And that's it. And we also had, when the price was down here after I got out of the washroom, right? Or down here it was. And I'm going, oh yeah, look what they have there. look what's there. Come on. Look. The buy fake, the hook down. Let me make it bigger so you can see it. Okay? Okay. So you would have been a seller right here, and down it went. So I think this is what I was trading, and I didn't even realize it. I wasn't looking. I was just so, I just, yeah, went through that, shit, and yeah. Now this one was easy after, okay, but look, it's like a double whammy. Do I go long? Do I sell? What do I do? Okay, here is the long. No, or okay. Look, lower lows. Okay, and this here like this, right? Boom. So that would mean buy right here and up it goes. And I told you I bought it in here, and then they smacked it down, and then I closed the buy and sold. I flipped it, right? And down it went, and I took my profit. But now look at this trade now, okay? Look, let me show you. Hidden divergence to the downside, okay? First we had the lower lows to the buy side, and then after this candle closed down here and the 5 crossed down below the 7, we had hidden divergence to the sell side. So it told you, get out of your long, get short, and away you go, right? Okay. And here is the setup from this very high peak down to here somewhere. Boom. It's actually less. It's like over here to this one. I don't know, something like that. Let me see if I'm even close. Right there. Yeah, see, right there. Maybe this one. Anyway, there's the divergence to the sell side. Okay, hold on. First, let me put the arrow on to the upside. And then, let me put the arrow on to sell it, to get short. See, right there. See that? Two signals. The first signal faked you out. You need to think and react quickly when you trade. If you can't, that's the one thing that kills traders is, and I used to be the same way, so I'm not praising myself at all. So don't take it that way. It's got some water, but you have to have the capability to go from long to short just like that. Just like fucking that. In no time flat. Just like that. Okay? And if you can't do that, it's gonna be, you gotta like this long right here, the stop needed to be right down here. Okay? So if you're like some people and just watch it flush down and hit your stop, well, God help you. That's all I can say. But you can see right here, I'm the kind of person that I would get out even before this big bearish candle would close, and that's what I did. I got out, and I flipped, and I went short. Took the loss, then traded bigger when I did the sell trade. Let's say I did three contracts here. I would do 6 here. You see what I'm saying? To make up for the loss. I'm not telling you to trade like that. I'm not a financial advisor, but my whole point I'm trying to get across here is you need to be able to go from long to short as quick as you can say boo, or go from short to long. Same thing. You got to be able to change your mind quickly and go with the flow of the market. This is on the 1 minute. I do not suggest you go anything lower than the 1 minute, like those tick charts or, there's all kinds of them. Renko and all those charts. I trade the 1 minute on here because it's moving so fast. It's changing direction so fast. And that's what I do. Sorry to go on about that, but I wanted to make that point clear to you guys. Okay, so anyway, it definitely went down, okay? Until the next buy fake right here. And it didn't work out. There was a double bottom here. You could kind of say it was divergent. If you bought long in here, well, it didn't go very short, didn't go very high. Instead, it went to the main pivot of the day. I hope you have these pivots on your chart. They're very important. And the whole numbers and the 50s. You know, all these levels are so critical. You know, I try and tell people that they are, but hey, if you don't want to buy them, then, you know, use some other pivot points, but they're definitely worth having on your chart. Okay, so here's the second fake out. Okay, double bottom fake out. But then we had I don't even like to go that far. I would say from here to here and here to here, but it's not really, well, we'll see. Say we took it from somewhere in the middle of it here and it goes up, right? It's still going up because we're going down. So you would have sold it right in here, and as you can see, they took it down. Oh, did they take it down? All the way down. They're just tricking everybody to buy, and they're selling it off. That's what they're doing. They've been doing it all day since the market opened. I know. I got caught in a long right here. I was long right here. And I got out right here. And then I sold it. I actually got out somewhere in the middle of this big red candle. I got out. I go, okay, you're not going up. You're not going to go up. Okay. You're tricking everybody. Yeah, with your buy fake. Which was, you know, another, well, it's not as clear as this one. This is a hook down. This really isn't a hook down. There's too many candles involved. But anyway, we had another trade down here if you were brave enough to do it. Okay, sell trade. And it was from here to here, let's say. Okay. Down like that, and that was the trade. Right here. And down it went. Oh, I was talking about this one, which is a sell trade. You know, somewhere in here you could have sold. You can see how close the moving averages were together. They were kissing each other. That's usually, you know, it's a sign of consolidation. Don't try and trade. When you see the both moving averages, the 5 and the 7, like hugging each other, you know, you don't want to trade then. It's consolidation. There was consolidation in here, right? But if you did sell, you did good. And there was, I'm just forgetting. I'm talking too much here. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to. Okay. Right there. That was it. That was the trade to sell there. And it went down real quick too, as you can see. It went down like 60 points in a couple minutes or a minute. And then it went right back up again, as you can see. They took it right down fast and then right back up again. See, senora. Yes, I see. And that's what it is. Trade what you see, not what you think. Okay, ladies and gents? Okay. Okay, so that's it for the NASDAQ for today. Let's look at It's right here. It's right here. Just got to drag it over. Okay. This is the, what is the open range breakout trade known as orb. Here is the high right here. Okay, let me show you. This is 1630 when it opened, and it closed right here. So this is the trade. You would have looked for something to sell. So say you would have sold right here after the next 15-minute closed. How much did it go down? 134 ticks. So you would have done good. This is 2 days in a row now this sucker's paid off. I'm going to keep paying attention to it. All that I know is in Forex we had an Asia breakout box, on the chart. And sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't. So I stopped trading that. But I'm just showing you guys for fun. Oh no, that's something else. That's gold. I was just looking at gold. We can look at gold too if you like, but yeah, was there a trade? No, there wasn't a trade. Anyway, I'm just going to show you the results of this orb trade just for fun, okay? Just for fun. That was the high, that was the low. Like I told you, you put a line at the high of the 930 candle that closes at 9:45. Okay, once the time hits 9:45, you draw the line at the bottom of the 15-minute candle from 9:30 to 9:45. And as you can see, there would have been some drawdown. Let me show you the drawdown. If you sold it just right here on the close, it went against you about 30 ticks, 30 points, but it went down 100, and from there it went down 100. You're supposed to look for bearish, indications that it's going to go down to take the short, okay? And it went down and it worked out 2 days in a row. Okay, enough, Jason, enough. There's the 5-minute. Was there divergence here? Oh yeah, we got higher highs. And down here. Down it went. So our divergence trade would have netted us 275 points to the downside. This is the NASDAQ 5-minute chart. Okay? And on the way down, can you see how much better divergence is? Out of all the other trades, I'm sorry, but it just is. It's primo, man. It's primo. It's better than the orb, man. It's better than the orb, but it is a lot harder to learn all the ins and outs of divergence, all the, the setups, because there's many different setups. There's double tops, double bottoms, there's higher highs, lower lows. Oh yeah, there's lots of them. Okay, and they do work magnificently. Where the hell is my thing here? Okay. Higher close candle, but it's very thin. It wasn't close to the 5, but if you did do it, it went down. Okay? The only real higher close candle is right here. And I would never take this trade because it's down near the bottom. And it's telling you to sell near the bottom, even though it worked out. Okay? All right. Let's look at the S and the P. It's on the same model today, same chart, just different instruments, okay? See? Boom. We put an arrow on there. And down it goes. And it went down 50 points on the S&P, 50. And on the way down, on its journey, on its way down, we had a couple higher close, sell it, down it goes. That one I definitely would have taken. Higher close, sell it, and down it goes. That's two beautiful trades. See, there's that same kind of trade we were just looking on the NASDAQ that I told you not to take, and look, it worked out, and they rammed it right down. Okay, let's look at the Dow now. What did it give us? It gave us something. Oh yeah, you see this little pullback? See the mountain? Remember, we always look for those mountains for our hidden divergence setups. To the downside. To the downside. Yes. I'm using the wrong thingamajig. Let's use that somewhere else. Yeah, how about there? Or even there. Or even there. There's one. Where are we looking at now? We're looking at the Dow, right? 5 minutes. Okay, we just have, I'm sorry. We just have higher close, sell it, down it goes on this chart. There's no divergence up there that I can see. Like the S&P and the NASDAQ. The Dow is doing something different. There's the higher close, sell it, down it goes. And then, oh, okay. I was a little mixed up there. Let's just draw this from up here. That's what I was looking for, and then I went, no, that's not what I'm looking for. Hold on. Here it is. Here's what I'm looking for. Okay? And we had a arrow to the downside. Right there. There's the divergence, hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen, and it went down 200 points. And we had these higher close, sell it, higher close, sell it, higher close, sell it trades right here. Yeah, it was a beautiful thing. You know, then they went sideways. It was a beautiful thing today for the indices. Okay, the pound dollar, what did we get here? Probably nothing much. No. I'll show you the one trade. Double bottom. And right off the main pivot, but who knows if that pivot is valid or not. Ah, shit, it's on a fucking Forex chart. It's off. The prices are off, man. They're all fucked up. They're off because they're scamming people, the brokers. That's what they're doing. They're fucking scammers. Yeah, scammers. Okay. Double bottom, you would have bought it there. If you could hold it through all of here, the max you could have got out of it is a lousy 24 pips. Yeah. It's just, it's not even worth, I say that every day. I shouldn't say that. Here's the euro, and it gave a divergence trade. Higher highs. This going down like this. And there's the arrow. I don't think it gave many pips. Yeah. Oh, the same as the pound. Oh, 24 pips. Wow. I didn't think it went that far. Pound yen. Oh, look at the pound yen. Oh, it's a beautiful thing today. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalak. Right there. And we'll put an arrow on there. Pound yen. See, the only two I honestly think worth trading out of all these four instrument of the euro, the pound, the euro, the pound yen, and the euro yen. Pound yen and euro yen. That's your only hope in hell that it's going to make you something. Because like the pound and the euro, no. It's just very calm today. Very calm. How much did this go down? Went down 126 points, or no, pips. This is pound yen pips. Pip, 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 pippy longstocking. And the euro yen, is it the same? Yeah, the euro yen. But euro yen doesn't have divergence from up here. Well, look at that. How much did the euro yen go down? Wow, about the same thing, 121. So the only thing we could do with the euro yen is higher close, sell it, down it goes. That's it. That's it, that's all. That's the only trade. Okay, oil. What did oil give us? Did it give us some divergence? I don't think so. No. This is higher than this one, so there's no divergence there. No divergence to sell it. You bastards. How much did it go down? Freaking 100 too. So all that we have here on the euro yen is higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And one more for the kipper. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Okay? That was oil. Now, what about gold? Oh, gold is a mess. And that's on the 5 minutes. Oh, ugly. Gold is ugly today. But there was a trade. Higher highs. It's actually two trades. Double bottom or lower lows. Okay. And like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Arrow to the upside. And a arrow to the downside. There it is. Okay, so if you got long in here somewhere, right here, the stop would be right down here at the swing low, and the most it went for you was, oh, it went up 66. Actually, just put it here. It went up 33. Because who's going to hold it all the way through this downward move and then back up again? Right? So the most you can get out of gold today is 32. And then on the downside, well, it gave you 98 maximum potential points on gold. Okay? So gold is not so good today. Not so good. Okay. Okay, so that's the end of the markets that move. The best trading instrument today was the NASDAQ that I could see. S&P, not too bad too. Okay, so let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Oh, they knocked it back down again. They took profits again. They're still at 97,000. That's still good. What did it go to a high of yesterday? Wow, 99,500 right there. It was on its way, but it didn't go. Instead, it pulled back today. And XRP, I think it pulled. Oh yeah, it's pulling back today now. Yeah, the big boys are loading up the XRP. You see this here? Changing numbers all the time. Tick, 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 tick. 50, 55, 77, 80. That's orders being filled, man. People are buying the coins. They're not trading this on margin. Are you crazy? If they are, they got some big balls. Some big hairy balls. They're buying the coins, man. That's the way to do it. Okay, so I want to thank you for coming out today. I want to thank you for watching today and listening. Greatly appreciate it. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button. If you really, really liked the video, how about you subscribe? That would be good. We'll see you on Monday. Thank you once again. Good luck and good trading.